What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Five Below because there's a lot more to share. I'm over here by the toys and I just figured we'd start over here by like the toys and the back to school supplies. I wanted to come over here and see if there's anything new, and I'm seeing lots of new things. Starlite Light Up Unicorn. This is by the brand Generation Doe. We also have Jurassic Light Up Dino. Those are definitely brand new. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Doggy Dentist by Crazy Art. Those are $5. They also have the Sparkling Unicorn set for $5. Those are so cute. That is a really nice price. And they have the mini Fun Factories for $5. Wow, you guys, they've added a lot of new things in this area. It's probably been a month since I've been over here, but they added this set of Play-Doh. They've added the bright colors Play-Doh. They've added the neon colors Play-Doh. I'm super impressed. And they have lots of really cute sets over here. This Play-Doh set is $4. They have even more though. This one is $5. Stampin' Cut Mini, Stampin' Cut Mickey. This one is really cute. Kitchen Creations by Play-Doh and Hasbro. Ooh, look at this one. This is the Ultimate Rainbow Pack. It includes 33 colors. It's super heavy. That would be a really nice gift. And they have a big container of dough cutters. You get 63 different cutters. That will make a super nice gift. Oh, these are so cute. I remember when my kids had these. These are the ones that have like the little sprinkles and sparkles in them. So I'm here on the back to school supply aisle, and I just wanted to see if there's anything new over here. They always carry Sharpies at a really nice price. These are the neon dry erase markers. Those are totally new. Of course, they have pencils. They have a lot of rainbow and pride items in for the month of June, including this pencil pouch. They also have some rainbow glasses, some rainbow makeup palettes, rainbow socks. They have the rainbow journal, and they always have the cutest journals in here. This journal is my favorite, you guys. This was originally from Limited 2, which I believe is now owned by Justice. Okay, let's go down the sticker aisle. Art supplies and stickers. These sketchbooks are so cute. Look, you guys, I love the colors. Their sketchbooks are amazing. Birdy has this one at home. They're so nice. And they have some other ones down here. Ooh, I love this blue one. Look at that. And they're really like hardback paint brushes that look like makeup brushes. They have some really nice things in here. Acrylic paints, glow-in-the-dark acrylic paints, glue guns. This glitter glue set is really nice. Pencil and brush organizers. They even have some canvases. Over here they have some travel games. What's that smell? It's not Uno, it's Uno corns. Uno Wilderness. Uno. Arias 3D flashcards. Crazy Eights, Old Maid. Okay, I love stickers. I love putting stickers in my planner and decorating mail with stickers. So I just have to see if there's anything new over here. Oh, these are new. These Sanrio stickers are definitely new. Aw. I love Hello Kitty and Sanrio. They have some sticker books too. Peppa Pig, Vampirina, Minecraft, Dora. Ooh, more stuff over here. Crayons for $1. Washable markers for $3. This is a sticker activity pad by Crayola. This is a really, really nice glitter and sequin pack. I got one of these for Birdy in the past and she really liked it. They have the hugest container of chalk in here. Look at this, you guys. It is humongous. How many pieces is that? It says it's washable. This is a 50-piece chalk set. And then they have some little ones for $2. But this big one is only $4. Look at all this chalk you get. 50 pieces of chalk. They have a really nice variety of other chalks here too. The jumbo chalk glitter markers. The glitter chalk paint kits. Ooh, and they added a new slime. They added Rainbow Burst Slimy Goop. And they also added the Mint to Be Nickelodeon Slime. And Birdy loves this one, Piece of Cake. That one has been here, but it's really, really good. And I love all these $5 kits they have. Make your own scented fizzy gloop, sunset gloop, slimy gloop, Sunday slimy gloop. Mix in vanilla scent and paint. Look, you guys, this is some brand new slime by Toysmith. They're calling it Cloud Slime, and it's $3. They also have it in this color. And these are new too. Elasti Plasti for $5. And pink and blue, orange, purple, and green. It says it expandifies 100 times. I wanted to see if they added any new squishies. I don't think they have though. But they do have a brand new squishy kit. Ooh, what's this? So Satisfying DIY Make and Destroy kit. This is definitely new. And the Galaxy Dream Jar, this is new. You can make your own slime. And if you like squishies and slime, these are brand new. These are the Slimy Goop Squeeze Witches. I think you get 2 squishies and then you get to make your own slime as well. They have a lot of new stuff in here since I was over in this section last time. They've even added the Candy Cloud Slimy Gloop and the Jumbo Squishos. Whoa. Fizzy Gloop, more Fizzy Gloop. Oh, look at this one. I thought this was a squishy, but this is a ceramic cat. If you want to make your own good luck cat, that's $5. And then they have some brand new squishy kits here if you like to DIY your own squishies. And they've even added this squishy jewelry kit. And you get 4 blank foam squishies to decorate. I just love coming in here, you guys, because they have so many new things, and both Birdy and Gator are going to be having a birthday soon. So I love coming in here and just seeing what they're interested in, like what they might want for their birthday, and I can always just find some really cool gifts in here. These are brand new. These Googly balls, these LOL Surprise Googly balls, they're $4. Wiggly Worms. These are $4. Whoa, they're super squishy. Super squishy and cold to the touch. I like his hair. And then they have the $2 balls and the $1 squeeze balls. I love these. These have been out for such a long time, but I still love them. If you are into pranks and gag gifts, they have a lot of like really cool gag gifts and toys over here. My kids said this might be funny to prank the lifeguards, but we discussed it a little further and we think that maybe we might get in trouble if we did that. What do you guys think? Poodoo Splat Ball, I think these are new for $2. They have a lot over here. They even have the Ryan's Splatty Pals. But alright, you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. I'm off to film in more locations for you guys. I'm gonna hit the mall and who knows where else I'm gonna go, but I have a lot on my list. So you guys make sure you hit that little bell. Make sure you turn on your notifications because I share daily videos. But all right, you guys, again, that's it for me. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.